Hi boys and girls, how's my fish class? Well, Miss Pearl and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about a math concept that's super fun and easy for all of you to do at home. Right here, I have a bunch of little carrots that I've made. And you can see it's shaped like a triangle, color orange. And then there's a little bitty green stemming at the top of the carrot. And moms, I have two different colors of construction paper that you can use to make these carrots. I used a darker orange and a lighter orange. And then I just have some other green construction paper that you can just slice to make the tops of the carrots. But boys and girls, as always, use safety scissors, not these kind of scissors. If you have these, and have mom or dad help you. But what you can see is we made a bunch of triangles, and then we wrote numbers on the triangles. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what you'll notice is for the carrot that has a 1 on it, it has one stem, a green stem. For the carrot that has 2, it has 2 green stems, 1, 2. For the carrot that has 3, it has 1, 2, 3 green stems. And I've done this all the way until I've gotten to 10. And each carrot has the exact number of green stems. So let's look at the carrot that has the number 10 and let's count the green stems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so what you do is you cut out your triangle, you write your numbers on your triangle, you cut little squares, green squares, and then you can glue them or tape them to the back of your triangles. And I know we've been talking about Easter, and carrots are not really a part of Easter, but they do remind us of springtime. So anyway, we've been doing our number review. Practice writing your numbers, practice saying your numbers, and this is a great way to work on your numbers this week as we're still working on our number review as well. So this is our carrot craft and our number review. Now I also have an additional math concept, and last week we talked about fractions. And as you can see, I have one whole piece of paper, and this is actually a circle. This is one whole circle. And here I have a whole circle, but notice I can cut this circle into two. This is a half of a circle, and this is a half of a circle. Two halves make one whole circle. So here we have one whole circle here. Here we have the two halves. Now, if I had 3 friends here joining me, and everyone wanted a part of the circle, we can also cut the circle another way. We can cut the circle into thirds. Here, it looks like one whole circle. But if I had 3 friends and everyone's saying, well, I want a part of the circle, I want a part of that whole, well, all you have to do is cut your circle into thirds. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, or 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. That makes one whole circle. Then our last way that we can cut our whole circle is if I have, let's say I have 4 friends that come over to my house. And we could divide all kinds of things. We could divide a pie, we could divide a pizza, we could divide a cookie, an apple. There's a lot of different things you can divide. But I'm just showing you right here with a circle because it's kind of easy to see in our head. But here we have one whole circle. Here we have a half and a half. 2 halves make one whole. And like we said, we have 3 parts of our circle. 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. But let's say I had 4 fish friends that come over. And they said, well, Miss Donna, Miss Perla, I want part of that. I want part of the circle. Well, I'd say, well, okay. Here, I'll cut it a certain way. You can have 1/4 of it. You can have 1/4 of it. you can have a fourth, and you can have a fourth. That way, 4 friends can have a part of this whole circle. See, when I put it all back together again, it looks like one whole circle. But you can cut a whole circle or a pizza or a cookie or an apple. You can cut it 4 ways evenly, and if you put it all back together again, it's still one whole. But notice, this could be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So you can cut a whole 4 ways, equal parts. All right, that's our math concept for today in our fish class. Go home and see if you can work on these little fractions with a cookie or a pizza or a pie, or just on regular circles, and show Mom and Dad, look, I can cut these circles different ways, into 2, into 3s, or into 4s. All right, boys and girls, until next time, Miss Donna loves you, Miss Pearl loves you, and so does Jesus. Bye, guys.